I didn't start with any money. My first cabinet and say, okay, let's say it's scam the shame, scam the better bundle. And what else? I think that's all. Yeah, from me offer Akosia Lydia. Me free Sweden in the eastern region of Ghana. Me so now me admission to the university. I was always thinking, say I'm fee, sharing so what am I going to do? I started with posting things on my status and my friends were like, hey, Nema way, are you selling them or not? Like, oh yeah, saying. So I told them, okay, there's a pre-order something. So you have to pay before I can order from China into the country for you. Yeah. First, no, mess or sip for items. I say, if you me pempamboy, me share in pamboane pictures. Then okay. I'll go ahead to look for a supplier. And I trust and so yeah, another thing because obiato adewo no. Won't you run away? Where do you stay? Like I get things like that. Obi to me fry